Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, running boards, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. Your new ride is just a phone call away.